Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with Sephora, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Take note of your total monthly income. Identify your fixed expenses, such as rent and bills. Calculate your disposable income by subtracting fixed expenses from your income. Next, determine your beauty budget specifically for Sephora. Research the products you desire from Sephora. Make a list of these products along with their prices. Prioritize the items on your list based on necessity and desire. Set a spending limit for each product category, like skincare, makeup, or tools. Consider using Sephora's sales and promotions to maximize your budget. Track your spending by keeping receipts or using a budgeting app. Review your budget monthly to adjust for any changes in income or expenses. Evaluate whether you achieved your spending goals. If you overspent, analyze where adjustments can be made. If you stayed within budget, reward yourself with a small treat. Always keep an eye on new releases and trends without impulsively purchasing. Evaluate whether you truly need an item before making a purchase. Lastly, remember that budgeting is a continuous process that requires discipline. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.